This little screen can save an entire vocal take. Used correctly, it disappears. Used incorrectly, it does nothing. In this video, I'll show you what a pop filter actually does, where to place it, how far it should be from the mic, and the mistakes that make it useless. A pop filter reduces plosives, bursts of air that come from sounds like P, B, and T. These bursts overload the mic capsule and cause low-end thumps that are difficult to remove later. Key point, a pop filter manages air, not volume. Best placement. The pop filter 2 to 3 inches away from the microphone. Your mouth another 4 to 6 inches away from the pop filter itself. Filter centered on the mic capsule. This spacing helps the filter break up air before it hits the mic, without dulling the sound. How a pop filter helps performance. A pop filter also gives the performer a physical reference point. It helps keep distance consistent, which keeps tone consistent. The key point, consistency makes mixing easier. Foam windscreens protect mics but often dull high-end frequencies. Pop filters reduce plosives while retaining clarity. Simple rule, for vocals, pop filters are usually the better choice. Quick hits. Placing the filter too close to the mouth, touching or bumping the filter during takes. Using a filter but still recording too close. Skipping it entirely and hoping plugins will fix it. Key takeaway. It's hard to EQ away plosives cleanly. A pop filter is cheap insurance for clean vocals. If you follow this series from start to finish, you'll have a home recording setup that actually works, not just one that looks good on Instagram. So that's your ultimate home studio starter kit. Smart gear, smart choices, and no wasted cash. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what your studio looks like. Catch you in the next one.